I am a man. Do not expect things of me that in the morning will lead to your disappointment in this place. I am a man. I refer to you as the girl from the bar. You have no name, you have no significance, you have no importance. But your body on the other hand, I will remember perfectly, like I'm the God who forced it. Your face is simply a memento, saved it pinned to a space on my calendar. Your taste will be on my teeth till the following dinner time, because you see, I'm a man. A torturer, noosing woman from the snare of my lips while my tongue acts as a whip, lashing my desires across her. Dare I call it slavery? Dare I call it love? Dare I say I'm not like the others, because the history of women tells them to rely on the words of a man. But I'm a split-tongued, two-faced master of language. I am the cause with no regards of the effects. I'm a murderer. A murderer with two clean hands, but don't get me wrong, I don't mind getting down and dirty. My body count seems to hold more importance than my grades or my GPAs. And under my bed, you see bloody sheets with no body to be found. Because they still walk the earth today, you see. They sit in classrooms, cry, and in bathrooms with my aftermath on their sleeves. The only thing they hate more than me is themselves. The only thing that I love more than myself is the power that they are giving me. So, serial killer, tell me, how many has it been so far? Tell me, who gave you the right to wear other people's happiness like dog tags? Tell me why it was okay to speak to her with tear gas on your breath and your words drenched in gasoline. Tell me, did she like it when you loved her with a clenched fist instead of open arms? Tell me, did you like it when you loved her with a clenched fist instead of open arms? Tell me who declared you God. Tell me who declared you God, because you are nothing more than human, nothing more than a man with faulty faith in an outdated value system. So don't you dare walk high and mighty like you can dig for gold in your chest, like she was born to be at your feet. Don't you dare treat her like target practice. Don't you dare love her like you know you shouldn't. Instead, love her with no brakes. Love her with no airbags. Treat her like she's the last person on earth that you would ever meet. Because you see, you, my friend, you are no man. And if you ever try to convince me that you are, I'd much rather be a fool. Thank you.